Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna have a very quick trading session. Oh my god. Oh shit. Okay, this is my first entry. I don't know why it happened and my entry is so bad, like always. And yeah, I entered right here. I don't know why it opened right there. That's crazy. I entered right here. Anyways, I go with buyers here because we have been going down for pretty much for a long time, but now we haven't broken this trend line. And if I look the market structure, I see that the price is trying to hit this high right here. Okay, so I go with buyers, and if I zoom in, you see that the minor trend is also uptrend. And if I draw this trend, you see that the market is moving inside of this range. And now it was a winning trade and I was pretty lucky. Okay, I can go with the buyers one more time, okay, because there's still a gap to the round number, and also the next dynamic seller's entry is going to be up there. Okay, and if you want to see this like a static seller's entry, there's still a gap, so the buyers will push the price up, and this is a continuation sign as well, so this trade was takeable. I will add a couple of pair to see what's going on. All right. Okay, we have a Marbuzu candle. I want to go with 25 here. I want to take a no. It's pretty much 10 seconds left from this candle. I wanted to take a sell here, but it's very, you know, it was a very small time left. It would be takeable because of this supply area broken with this Marbuzu candle, and Marbuzu candle itself is a reversal candle. Also, we have this downtrend, but since there was less than 30 seconds of candle left, I didn't take this trade. So let's go back to 100. Let's see. And oh my god, look at this seller's entry, and there's gonna be another seller's entry. I will try to make a 2-minute trade on this one because based on the market movement, I need the price to come down here for this demand area. Okay, increase this one. Okay, go with the sellers for 2 minutes here. Okay, if it's gonna respect the market sequence and the seller's entries, it should drop. Otherwise, it would go up, and that's no problem. And if I want to rate this trade, it's basically if I want to rate this from 100, I would say it's 65. Okay, it's not a very short trade. So let's see. Okay, we have a very nice seller's entry here. It's exactly on the round number as well, and we have another seller's entry up here. So this seller's entry is just a retracement point in this ABC to the downside, so it's a supply area. And if I want to take a trade, I would rather to have a candle close exactly here, or it goes up and close exactly here. Okay, if it's gonna exactly close here, I will need a rejection candle here. Okay, otherwise no trade. And if it's gonna drop from exactly right here, there's not gonna be a trade. This trade was takeable, but your entry should be exactly... Oh, this trade's about to be a losing trade. Yeah, if I was to take this trade, I don't know why I just see the RED. I would enter exactly right here on this rejection point because it's exactly closing this round number. It's also a pattern. Let me just go back to this trade. It's a oh my god, look at this. Yeah, so it's a losing trade. It created this doji here. And also we have this doji, so I put this here. I want to go with the buyers here because we have a very strong round number here. You know, the buyer's dynamic entry is down here, so there's still a gap. But if you look close to this one, we are breaking a very strong doji, and it also has this gap down. So the buyers can give us a very nice, let's go. Yes, but the main seller's entry is going to be down here. So if you connect the buyer's entries, and if you want to connect the buyer's entries, don't draw this from here, for example. Okay, draw this from the buyer's candle to the buyer's candles, center. Okay, so the dynamic buyer's entry is going to be exactly here, down here. So if I look back and I see, for example, the support, I can plan for a potential buy right there. Let's see what the doji did. Oh my god, we missed the doji trade here. I was looking for this trade. Oh, this is also a QM, so it would be a very nice trade. You know, look at this. This is a QM area. It touched the QM, and also it's a doji break. So this area for buyer's entry, oh my god, that would be amazing. Which we missed. Okay, I want to go with the sellers here, exactly right here with this crazy marginal safety. You see that the sellers has been entered very crazy, and you see this huge gap up to this broken support, which is now it's a resistance. And my connection is stopped right now, but I'm pretty sure that we're gonna win this trade very easily. And you know, that was crazy. There's a point about gaps. I think I talked about this 100 times so far. And when you have a downtrend, okay, every single gap up you see, it's a confirmation for going with the sellers, okay? But you only take the trade if you already have a setup. And you also have this gap confirmation. For example, here we have a doji break here, okay, and this is a doji range, okay, and this candle closed here. It didn't come back the dojis inside, okay. If it was even inside of this doji, the next candle also would be red, okay. So this doji right here create us strong resistance and a strong support. So when we break it, it can be a pullback and then drop, okay. So it's still, we have the chance to take this trade, but this is a long wick market, so we need a marginal safety trade. You see every single candle has long wicks, so we can take a marginal safety trade. All right, so here you see that this is a evening star as well. This is an evening star. It has a retracement, okay, so we can take this trade. So we have so many reasons to take this, and then gap up also comes on top of that. And also this was a prior support, became resistance. This gap up basically starting from this resistance and also broken up this round number, and it's starting from this inside of this doji range, okay. As you all know, dojis create a strong ranges. Whenever we break this range, we can have a retrace. So there's a point that, let's say we broke this, we have the retracement, and then we drop. Next time we're coming back into this doji range, they will have a retracement again, okay. Even if you close exactly on this doji, you can count on the sell. You know, when the gap up also comes into the game and candles start from here, that's another confirmation to take this trade, especially if it's combined with this pattern, even if you have the trend and everything, okay. For example, here you see that again it started with this gap up, and the gap up is exactly on this round number. So the round number is a resistance here, and the price start from the resistance. This is a downtrend, so this trade right here would be takeable as well. Today we didn't take a lot of trades, okay, because I wanted to have a quick trading session. Look at this, ABC to the upside. This area is a round number, okay, and also ABC being broken with this, so combination of these two makes this trade takeable. All right, okay, thank you for watching, everybody. That was about today's trading session. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. If you haven't joined the Telegram channel, it's time to join. Yeah, thank you for watching and peace out.